Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. While a diesel was an option, this one is fitted with the 6.0 liter V8. The 2500 improves the usability and durability of the 1500 as well as all the capabilities. It can tow more, haul more. Nice back seat area. This one is the work truck trim, so this is pretty much your entry-level 2500. Hop on inside. Automatic windows. And nice AC for a day where it's 82 degrees and humid. Alright, look at that. We're in luck. Total vehicle price on this one was $44,350. The Vortec V8, graphite metallic, jet black, and dark ash. 6-speed automatic. So the only option this one has... Oh no, it does have a bunch of different options. Oh yeah, so this one has a custom package discount new. That's pretty cool. So this is the Silverado HD custom pack. So the wheels is different. The glass is tinted. That's different. A bunch of different chrome features. Pretty cool. Say auto locking rear diff. Yeah. Auto locking rear differential. Without further ado, let's take it out on the road and see how she drives. Oh yeah, and here is your 4x4. Put it into 4 high. Oh yeah, so a lot of transfer cases have a neutral feature, and that's what that is in right now. Let it stop spinning, because it's spinning the drive shaft, so I don't want to... That's too high. There we go. This 6.0 has a really good sound to it. Sounds super throaty and really nice, to be frankly honest. Not bad at all. Gets up to highway speed really well. In low, you have manual shifting capabilities. However, it does act more as a gear limiter, meaning that if it's in low 4 and I floor it, which it is now, it won't lock itself into 4th gear. If it needs to downshift, it will. A good example was, how about this? I'll put it into low 4 and I'll start off from a stop. If it was a true manual mode, it just lock itself in 4th gear. It won't do that. Smart idea, because, you know, if you're going down a mountain, what's really, really nice is it rev matches its downshifts. Super throaty sound from this 6.0. Even just cruising around, it's super comfortable, really, really nice to drive. I have no complaints. This could be, you know, your only car, truck, vehicle. Vehicle's a good term. We'll use vehicle. And we can test its kickdown capabilities. Not bad at all. Even on this back road, it doesn't feel too big whatsoever. Brakes feel great. these bumps. Not bad. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.